Okay, doctor.
It means you are low blood. Yeah. I'm busy, bro.
Is it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I'm finished.
Yeah.
What? Why? Why you know?
Normally.
Go there, bro. Go there.
What?
Yeah.
Cut?
I'm tired. Relax, bro. Relax.
Yeah.
Your right hand, bro. Right hand, bro.
Right.
Yeah. Relax, ah.
Okay.
Don't talk while taking
Why
your blood pressure.
Okay, doctor. Okay, doctor.
Kasi papatulong siya kasi baka high blood daw siya. You sleep a lot?
Yeah, that's it.
How many hours?
6.
It's okay. Relax, ah. Don't talk. But you can breathe, ah. Papatulong siya magpa-BP. High blood yata siya. Parang hindi naman. Tingnan natin. (113/79). Not bad, bro. Not, 3 times, yeah, 3 times. The normal is 120/80. So your over is 79, and then your this one is 113.
It's not bad.
No, it's not low blood or not high blood. Okay.
Okay.
One more.
It's normal.
Yeah.
Okay.
One more. Relax, ah. 3 times. 3 times. (109/75). See, this is the normal. Normal is less than 120 and less than 80. So you are normal.
Okay.
One.
And the second value?
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay? Okay.
Elevated.
It's between 19 and 16?
No,
16?
low blood means less than 90 and less than 60. You're over.
Okay.
It means you are low blood. Just take a rest.
Last.
Yeah, last one. You look why you nervous?
No. I'm okay.
Yeah, okay. Don't talk, ah. Normal naman pala siya, eh. Drama to, eh. Don't talk. Don't smile. Oh, yeah, normal.
Normal.
Yeah,
Okay.
normal. What do you feel? You feel
I
bad?
feel okay.
right?
I feel okay.
Why you told me you feel bad? You feel not
so
good?
I feel I have a
Dizziness?
pain in this
Yeah. That's one of the signs of the high blood.
high blood.
Yeah, sometimes. Yeah.
But not painful, just a little,
Maybe stiff neck.
maybe.
Maybe stiff neck, bro. Yeah, you're normal.
Normal.
Yeah, 106/75, 130.
So
okay.
my problem of my blood pressure is low, not
not low.
high.
Nah, it's normal.
No, sometimes.
Yeah, normal. It's because here the normal is less than 120.
Yes,
and
today is normal, but
other day.
other day I have
You have what?
low pressure, low pressure, low pressure.
Really?
Yeah, not height, low.
Did you check?
I
How did you know?
I checked last year.
What your blood pressure last year?
Last year I think around
This is the low
less
blood.
than 60.
Less than 60. The over? Over?
No, not over.
How about this 90?
90.
Look, the low blood is less than 90.
Yeah, yeah,
Less than 90?
yeah.
Oh, not this low blood.
It's very low.
No. So what did you do? Did you take your medication? Or
Yes.
You have medicine in your apartment?
No, no, no. I don't have just only take just only eat chocolate and
Chocolate?
Yeah. Yeah, chocolate.
Chocolate. Yeah.
Okay,
If
thank you.
you feel bad, you can
Thank you.
you can message me again, huh?
Okay, okay.
If you feel
Thank
bad,
you.
huh?
Thank you.
Anytime.
Thank you.
I send it to you.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay, God bless.
Okay.
You work hard, huh?
Yeah. I tried.
Yeah. Bye bye, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ano naman pala siya eh. Normal naman pala siya eh. Ayun mga tropa. Ano naman siya? Normal naman. So, buti nakabili tayo o nakabili si Consi ng ganito. Kasi in-order namin to dati sa Amazon. Ayun, at least nakatulong tayo sa ibang lahi. Diba? Medyo pagod na yan. Kulang sa tao. Oras na ba? 54. Akit na tayo. Ayun mga tropa. Kasi mga tropa, yung katropa natin na yun na ibang lahi, taga Madagascar, African. Chat niya ako lagi kasi daw yung pakiramdam niya iba, ganyan, baka daw high blood siya o low blood siya. Yun. Piniem niya ako nung nakaraan pa. So ngayon buti may overtime kami, mayroon din silang overtime. Ayun. Kaya natin siya, natulungan natin siya sa blood pressure niya. Good thing naman kasi nag-iisip siya mga tropa, no? Good thing ano siya, normal naman yung BP niya, diba? Mapag-isip kasi yun eh. Chat ng chat, diba? Tara, kita tayo sa taas.